Your responsibility as a worker in Ontario is really to read through all of Section 28 of the Occupational Health and Safety Act, because I think it really outlines all the critical pieces for you. In general, what it talks about is, first of all, making sure that you comply with the Health and Safety Act and all the applicable regulations that apply to you in your particular workplace. It speaks to making sure that you're not horseplaying in the workplace and perhaps hurting yourself. It talks about making sure that you don't make any type of protective gear ineffective. For example, if the machine guard is preventing you from doing your work, you really should be bringing that to the supervisor attention first, as opposed to you removing that particular guard. But I really encourage you to read through all of Section 28 to get a full, comprehensive feel for all the requirements in the legislation.